let me introduce ANORA, the Flora alternative, but 10x better. Here's why. So basically go to anora.yaps.gg. It will open this. You just click on Get Started. It will open the almost blank screen with few options. For example, you can just get inspired or describe an image, combine ideas, make videos, and etc. Get started with Explore Styles. From here, explore the flows, already made templates, or ask ANORA AI. There you can see the updates from the ANORA or latest updates. Check this out. How you can get started. Double click anywhere to create a new blog or start with this, and it will open context menu where you can choose text, image transformer, or video block. You can click on the text and it will drop down the text block. Here you can type Korean girl and ice cream, New York City, and that's it. And here you can describe, for example, come up with crazy idea for image gen, 3 sentences. Just click on generate and it will generate it. Ran out of API credits and basically I cannot use right now. So connect this node for image generation. For example, after it will generate the text, hover over here. And as you can see here, now you can connect to another block. You can just hover here and then drag and done. Now you should choose text or image transform or video block. For example, we want to generate an image. You just click on the image. Now you can generate image. For example, this prompt generated from ChatGPT or etc. models, we will see this later. It will go here as a reference text. And now you just click on it, it will generate an image. Basically, as I said, I ran out of API credits. And then you can also transform generated image. You just drag an image transformer and now you can transform, edit this image. For editing, we need image. That's why it's not allowing us to enter the text here. Let's upload the example image. For this, we can just create a new image block and then connect here and then choose an image. This image. So we can now write the prompt. There's also, we can center the report, suggestions using the up and down on keyboard. We can move from the suggestions, or you can just click tab and you can just select the suggestion. Click generate and it will generate image. And then connect this to video here. And now you can make a video out of this image. Basically, it's here also similar. Just click here and choose a prompt or write your own prompt, blah, blah, blah. Now, as I say, it's agentic app, not similar to other apps, it's agentic. While you're uploading images, it will generate a title for each image separately. You can just drop image, click on upload image. Okay, this one, and here you can see generating title. It will generate a title based on this image. I cannot use it right now. And then you can also enlarge this image as a full screen. Just click here. You can see the full view of this image. Pretty cool. Now then you can also see all the generations available here. All the running and failed or successful generations or pending generations available on the bottom side. You can also move around the generations. Click this, it will go to this block or image generation and it will go specifically to this image generation block. Now let's quickly go through the models. All the models available for all free users. No need to upgrade. You can also upgrade here storage assets. If you want to upload your assets and save it on our cloud, you can just upload them and drag and drop and use it. $19 for months, super cheap. And you can also buy the credits from here. It's the minimum amount of 10K and it costs just $9. It's cheaper than Flora. Click and choose any credits, available models. I will center the report, and if you click this on the node toolbar, you can see a lot of text generation models. Cloudy, DeepSeek, Meta, OpenAI, or XAI. You can choose any of them. For example, Gemini 2.5 Pro, usage-based pricing, so pay as you go. And all the models are available beside to Flora, where you should upgrade. You can download the plain text, or for example, you can also preview the text. Click on the preview and you can preview as a markdown. It's also a cool feature. Just click and now you can edit this text. Done with text block, and now go to image block. Here we have also a lot of models. Click on the model, on the toolbar, and you can see Flask, Gemini, and OpenAI. A lot of models from Flask, and the best model is here, Flask Pro V1.1 Ultra. A bit much more from other models, and the output also like much more better and cleaner. Or you can also search for models. I can say 1.1, and there are two models available, this Pro and Pro Ultra. Super cool, super easy. We have also stylus for image generation. You can select the stylus for your image. For example, you want your image to be photorealistic or extreme detailer or product mockup. For example, you have a chair. Transform this posting on socials. You just select product mockup and you can see it's selected, and now you can click on generate and it will generate. Yeah, and also you can select image sizes. You want to make an Instagram post or Instagram ad. Hover this and it will scroll down. X post or LinkedIn post. What else? YouTube thumbnail, etc. You can also filter out and post. Yeah, it's super easy. You can download for free, and there's also cool feature WebCam, where you can just take the live photo and just upload it. Even Flora doesn't have this. No need to search your folders and then upload. Super easy. And then image transformer block. Currently we have only one model. Here you can also specify the stylus and the size, download this. And you can reference more than one image. We can reference this here and done. You can see two references. Now you can combine these images. We can say this one. Expand the scene in image 1 to include elements from image 2. And click generate and it will generate it. You can also specify styles. For video, we have a lot of cool models and all of them are free. Pay for what you use. It's also limited on Flora for one model for free users. We have from Alibaba, from DeepMind, from Helia, or Clean model. The best one, this Minimax, the cheaper ones, DeepMind. Just select, you can generate. We have also text models. This, and we can drag here the video, and now you can see all the text models. I have mistaken, you can just select this video, and now here image models. You can see because there was no image, it got wrong. Image models, you can reference the images, different images, generate. For example, we have runway. You can select, and you can also specify the ratio size, Instagram feed or Pinterest stories, cinematic, ultra wide video, and etc. And also specify the duration, shorts or viral reels. And that's it. The best part, you can also download this video, final video. It's also free. It's just a cool alternative for Flora. I guess all for models, tools to select and drag context menu. If you click on the right side of your mouse or use your two fingers on the trackpad, it will open the context menu. Here you can paste your text or search using the spotlight search. This is a new feature, doesn't have even Flora. Just click spotlight search. Now you can search on your notes, and there's also suggestions. You can navigate using your up and down keyboard, and or you can just type Korean. Okay, we have two. Let's go to video note. Here it will go to video note. You can also open the spotlight using the command K. Ice cream. It will go to text note, scene. You can see the image transformer note, and here we go. Yeah, spotlight search is new feature. We have paste here where you can paste your images or text. I can copy this, simply paste, and it will paste. So you can see here. Just click on the command V and it will paste. It's similar with images. Let's select this one, copy. Now we can basically paste it here. Control V and it will paste, and it will generate the title for this image. And you can always change this image. Click at the center around like square. Just click and you can upload. You can drag using this center viewport, where you can center the full viewport, your flows, or you can also center the exact this flow or this image. For example, you just center, and now it will center specifically this. Now you can take a screenshot or whatever. Also, you can undo, redo, like Control Z, Control Shift Z, and or the cool feature show hide UI, where you can hide all the elements. For example, you want to take a screenshot and just click, it will hide everything. Export image, the whole canvas. Click export, it will export the whole canvas. You can also export flow, that will export nodes, clear the canvas. It's clear. Yeah. Double click, add the text node, a specific context menu. For example, if you want to duplicate, just click and duplicate it. Or if you want to connect, just click and, for example, image transform, and you can connect. Basically, it's super easy. Or if you want to center the viewport, we have talked about this. Or delete. We have also a separate context menu for edges. For example, you just add image and click this, and you can connect or delete this node. You can just delete, connect video, and here we have some cool features. For example, you can customize the experience, customize the canvas itself. For example, like now you can see the dots here, background. For example, darker, this dark background. You can just customize the canvas as you want, as you wish. Also, interactive mouse. It will open the interactive mouse, and here. This is also cool, maybe cool. Any problems or bug, you can use this help an account, helps resources, or report the bug, or you can see also what's new in ANORA. Join our Discord community, talk about this creative stuff. If you have any problems, you can just contact support. Change your project. For example, I want to make it kind of Lotus meant. Now here you can see running flows. What else? From here, if you click on add, it's also another option. Here will be listed history coming soon, and here the assets you should upgrade. And here we have flows, the templates, all the templates here. Let's check this one. Here we have text here, and we have here generated image with the fisheye style here, and the size and used model. Or we can also 3D image. Here we have image and image transformer that combine the both images. Yeah, 3D, generated video. It will play on hover. It's also for performance. There's your account. You can buy credits, create your plan, and sharing is coming very soon. You can share your workflow and collaborate or publish on community as a template. The last but not least, if you click on the credits, you can redeem a code. I've already published 10 codes. It's 100 credits, X profile. I will leave the link on the description below also. You can basically get like 100 credits for free, 4 or 5 images. Check it here. Click on the redeem code and it will redirect my X profile, and from here you can copy this code. Click here, redeem this. Here, successfully redeemed 100 credits. Now you can see my credits increased and it's free. Just use it. Basically, this is all about ANORA. Try it out. Let me share your ideas.